here. I didn't pull the camera out. It'd be so hard for me to pull this camera out. Y'all, like, what I'm going through right now, I cannot even explain it. Like, y'all, look at this. I want to cry so bad. But then I'm just like, why cry? I want to cry so bad. I cannot believe this. Y'all know I love my hair. You know? Look at my skin. Look at my skin. Like, y'all, I'm really going through it. Okay. So, thanks to my husband. He's the fucking best. Like, he listens to me. He understands. Shout out to him. Like, this video is sponsored by Sutton. It's sponsored by him. Because thanks to him, like, he understands. Okay, so I got the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Conditioner. So I got this. I also got the hair sermon. I got the shampoo, and I got a mask. So y'all, we better get this shit together though. Like I said, I want to cry, but you know I can't. I mean, I understand what's going on. I just got to get myself back. Look at this though. Like, y'all know I love my fucking hair. I love my hair, and just to see it like this. Okay, get it together, Shana.
You want to smoke with me? You want to smoke with me?
It's going down out here. Son, tell him it's going down out here.
This is how you carry the gun when you're in the military. You got to be ready at all times.
At all times. Nobody wants that smoke. Try to get a little footage for y'all. Cause I be out there doing my thing, you know.
You got there doing a thing. Ain't gonna lie. Bottom girl survival.
They're not listening either. Oh, get the fuck out of here. What's up? Stay on the kid.
Here. Which one yours? The little bag. Here. You don't care? Here. All right, y'all. E-girls is crazy. I hear you. So mama. Well, why would you say mama then? Do you want me to open it? Munchie. Munchie, baby.
Mama.
Okay, that's what I was trying to do anyway. Calm down. There you go. Thank you. Good job. You got yours, Zoe?
Huh?
You got yours?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
It's time to create your reality. It's time to consciously choose the life you desire. And it all begins by what you think. Your thoughts create your reality. If you want change in your life, it begins by changing your thoughts. And in changing your thoughts, you are shifting or shedding old ways and moving into a new reality.
Yeah, this was a good walk do to them babies. Can y'all see it? Goldfish all on the mouth. Y'all see it? That's what a good walk do to them. But I ain't gonna lie, they heavy. Woo. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I just took the girls in the house. Y'all, take y'all kids for a walk. I try to take my girls for a walk every Tuesday, but today Thursday. We had a tornado yesterday, and then Tuesday it started raining, so we couldn't go for a walk. But as soon as we got the daycare today, so I said, Mama, we walk? I said, baby, as soon as I pick y'all up, we walking. So we just did our walk. So now I'm about to go in here and eat me some pasta and try to upload a video because I've been trying to upload y'all, but I've just been going through a lot. It's a drug, sorry. I've been trying to upload videos. I got videos, but I've just been going through so much. Matter of fact, while I'm right here, I'll share with y'all. Went to DC for spring break with my husband. So we just had everything planned. I was gonna record, I was gonna do this. But then my mom ended up passing. So yeah, it was a lot. But I had said it, but I kind of edited it out because I didn't want y'all to know right then. And I didn't want y'all to just think I was just doing the video just because to try to get clout for it. But yeah, my mom had passed. And actually, I actually feel a lot better. Like after going to California, I actually went to California too. I feel better. But yeah, anyway, so let's go eat. I hear you birds. What y'all trying to say? If my husband wasn't here, he'd be like, you always saying that means something. I hear birds chirp. It's a sign. They trying to tell you something. And I'm listening to. See? That's just a different chirp. People like, yeah. Oh, bird chirps. Okay, let's go eat. Hey, y'all. So, I just finished working out. Today's Friday. I was going to come back to y'all yesterday when I took the girls walking, but I was tired. Baby, we had a long day. We had a game. We had 2 games at that. But yeah, so I'm just in the sun right now. Had a crazy workout. I love working out on Fridays. I really ain't been vlogging, like talking to y'all, because I kind of forgot how to do it. I know it's weird. So I'm trying to get back into it because, like I told y'all, when I did my exposing video, YouTube is really my outlet. So I got to get back to this. I was telling y'all yesterday how I really just ain't been myself. I really haven't been myself. When I tell y'all my hair came out, so much hair came out. All my hair is out. So your girl thinking about getting some dreads. That's definitely a plan. I just got to get my hair back healthy. So I will give y'all a full video on my lock journey. I'm definitely going to lock it up. Think about locking it up and putting a little color in it. I'm tired of looking like this little young girl because everybody think I'm young. I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all, like always, if it's something that you want to do it. For the past 6 months, I've been telling myself that I'm going to do everything that I want to do. And I actually started doing it. And I was telling y'all yesterday how my mom passed. It's bad that I say I feel good now that it's over. But I actually do feel good. Like, she resting. God knows she resting up. Like, I'm at peace with her death. And I've just been doing everything that I want to do. Because at the end of the day, when it's my time to go, I want to live my life to the fullest before I go. And when my mama, she did it. She lived her life to the fullest. After that, I'm in control of everything that I do. I'm in control. If I want my hair to start growing back, like, I am in control of all of that stuff, y'all. And I'm not ashamed. Y'all know I'm never ashamed to show y'all. I could give y'all a full video. But all my hair is gone now. My face broke out again so bad. So now I'm trying to start a new skincare regimen. So that's in the making. Y'all know I'm feeling this hygiene stuff. Like, I love this hygiene. And thanks to my mama, y'all, that's how I know about hygiene. Like, she taught me everything from body sprays, body scrubs, just being so young, seeing her do it. I'm like starting back getting into it. Because if y'all recall, y'all might don't know, so if you're new here, it's cool. Like, I was really depressed. I had hit rock bottom. And when my mom passed, I kind of started going back through that again. And I was like, okay, Shauna, you in control. Get yourself together. You are in control of yourself. That's the magic power that we have. Nobody can control your life, the things that you do, the things you want out of life. Nobody can control that. So moving forward, y'all, be in control. Moving forward, I am in control. And like I said, I have been happy. I have been enjoying my kids. Y'all, if you know me, I really do not buy myself nothing. I buy my kids, I buy my husband, I buy my nephews, I buy everybody stuff Love myself. Even with my hair, like I don't go get my hair done, I don't go get my nails done. But really, I gotta stop doing that. And I have, because today, I'm so excited, y'all. I bought this mirror. I've been wanting this mirror, I swear to God, for 2 years now. And I just been putting it off. But today is Friday, and it should be here by the time I get home. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm so excited for this mirror. Moving forward, I'm gonna start talking to y'all more, because I haven't. It's like, I be forgetting what to say, or I be scared. I say the wrong stuff, and I just think about people judging. You know me, I do not judge. I don't care. Like, that's your life. Enjoy your life. Do what you want to do. With that being said, y'all, I'm going to end this part right here, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Mama. Go, 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 go. Go, Munchie, go, Munchie, go. Ooh, good job, baby. Yay, baby. Good job. Hello. Good job, baby. Good job. Whee! Good job. Good job, baby. When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell. So you may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. We just got soaked. It was fun, though. Yeah. It was fun. Was it fun? It was fun.
Yeah.
Woo! We had a run. Much baby. You okay? You okay? Okay. We safe. All right, seatbelt so we can be safe. Woo! It's no way. The fucking mirror is broken. It's broken. Shattered. Oh my gosh. I waited so freaking long. It's Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
I can play you.
So you're drinking Troy Truth?
No, I did. I asked him if he wanted it. Okay.
What you got, Zoe? What you got?
Ice.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Did you eat all your food up?
Yeah.
You a big girl?
Yeah.
Who gave you the ice cream?
Try.
Oh, wow. Hey, Naya. Hey, Sherwin.
Good. Munchy.
Nana.
What happened to Nana?
Nana need hurt.
It don't hurt
She
no
gonna
more.
sit the whole world, y'all need her.
It don't hurt no more.
What happened to Nana knee?
Me watching.
Oh, okay.
I can't believe you remember. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, girls.
Hey.
Are you guys ready for the walk?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay.
No, them ants, they bite.
Yeah, baby.
Hi, Munch. You wanna go up? You wanna go up? Okay, let's do it.
Use these affirmations to begin to program your subconscious mind. By listening to them entering your conscious mind, you will begin to imprint your subconscious mind. And not necessarily asking how change will occur, but rather just allowing, trusting, letting go, and allow your new thoughts to be born when divine timing is called.
Hey y'all, today is Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. I'm making tacos, chicken tacos to be exact. Got a little margarita right there. I'm gonna go in here and bust that baby open. Let me show y'all what I got right here. We got the tortilla shells, okay. We got the pico, okay. We got the sour cream. We got the avocado. You gotta have avocado. You can't be plain. We got lime. Got a little chicken. I told y'all we doing the chicken tacos. We got cilantro. We got onions. We got a little margarita. Let me tell y'all something. I'm so excited. My mirror came. My mirror came yesterday. I was afraid to open it because I thought it was gonna be broken again. So I don't know. I'm gonna open it up today with y'all so y'all can see. Let's go open it right now. We ain't doing nothing else. We waiting on the tacos. Let's open it now. Oh, so good. Look, hey, so cute. Y'all, so now we got the mirror up. We got the mirror up. We got the mirror up, and it look good. Look at so. You like the mirror?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna be in this mirror every day?
Yeah.
I could tell.
Yeah, we all day.
All day? And night?
Yeah.
Wow. Taco Tuesday. Oh my god. I'm good. I'm broken about him.
It's good. Come on.
Ooh, that's so good.
Big ass, get that ooh, baby. Big ass, get that ooh.